Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I know it's been a while, been a good couple of days, maybe a week. I don't even remember the last time I posted a video, but I've just been a little bit down on energy and just not really had it in me to get out there and get on here and post a video. So sorry about the delay, but I did just want to give you guys an update on what's been happening, how I'm doing. Right here we have Rumpelstiltskin joining us today. This is not his video, he's just joining us today. Today I'm just giving you a little update of what's been going on. With me, uh, I don't know, I was stressing for a little while there about my living situation, but I did get that situated and I will talk to you talk to you all about that. But then I'm stressing about the fact that Cogsworth, my Rosie Boa, is just not eating. I'm guessing it has something to do with just maybe because it's winter time now, and he's just choosing to not eat for right now. I'm not getting too concerned about it, but I just don't like when my snakes don't eat. It just kind of stresses me out a little bit, and I've never really. I've yet to experience a snake that genuinely went off eating during the winter time. I did read that they can do that sometimes, so I'm going off of that in hopes that everything's good there. He's not losing weight or anything, but he's just not eating, and it's just stressful for me when my snake doesn't eat. But you know, uh, staying positive. I did end up moving Artemis into her new enclosure, uh, just because living room space is getting tight. Things need to be rearranged. It is now a month since she got here. I'm confident that she's healthy. Um, I am still super safe. I definitely sanitize before touching her and then going to other snakes and all of that. But I'm sorry about that. Let me just go ahead and do that with you. Gosh, she's so active right now. But yeah, I got her moved in, so maybe I'll do a little tour of her enclosure. If not in this video, then I'll do it in another one. We'll see how I'm feeling. I'm still kind of low on energy, and it's my day off, so I think it also just is because I've been working a lot more this week than I have in recent times. So uh, I definitely felt feeling it a little bit. Definitely was running out of energy there, but I'm getting there. I'm getting back up on it. But I do have some positive news when it comes to my new housing situation, though, because that was definitely a big thing for me. I was definitely hardcore stressing about it, especially once we got into December, because I was scheduled to move out of this place January 1st, and if I had not found a place by the end of November, I was really going to be stressing, and then I got right into December and was really stressing about it there. But I have found a place, and it is about, and, it's a little bit out of the way for me, but it's not so terrible that I can't get back, here into the main area where I do most of my work and socializing. But it's okay that it's out of the way because it allows me to save up money for my future plans of moving to Georgia because that is something that I would like to do in my future. Um, but not only that, but it allows me to have my bedroom, which is a very nice sized bedroom, much bigger than this one, but also it gives me space to a shop where it's gonna get cleaned out and I'm gonna be able to keep all of my reptiles in there. So essentially, I have found a place where I have a bedroom as well as a reptile room, and I am so excited about that. I'm so excited to be able to have a whole space that I can just deck out for my snakes and like put all sorts of stuff up for them to climb on, and it's just gonna be so nice, and I'm super excited about it. So that is a thing that was definitely hold me back from really posting because I was stressing about it and really just wanted to get it taken care of because otherwise I had plans on, kind of being homeless for a little bit until I did find a place. And in that case, I was going to foster out my snakes to a bunch of friends who had already stepped up willing to take them on until I found a place. So I was not going to have to give up any of my reptiles, any of my animals, but I was going to have to foster them out, and meaning be away from them for a while, and that would have been very sad for me. I did not want to do that, but everything fell into place, and I'm very excited about the future I have with where I'm going to be living. It's always, I hate moving, I hate packing, I hate the whole exercise of it, but it's necessary. But I don't like the process of moving. I do like the aspect of being able to have new adventures with living with new people because you have different experiences when you move in with different people. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. I'm excited about it. Um, so yeah, that's just a lot of stuff. That's just really what's been going on with me lately. I really want to touch up on that. Most of the babies ate this morning. Yes, Toph ate, Skellington ate, Artemis. Artemis did not eat. Artemis is the big girl. She did not eat today. Um, who else ate today? Lestat ate. Nakia Wakanda ate. Rafiki ate. And Shere Khan ate. Yep. And that's it. All the babies. All the little snakes ate this morning. Um, I tried to feed Cogsworth, and he was not. He didn't eat. So again, another week down without him eating. He's literally eaten once since he's been with me. He's been with me a couple of months now, so kind of stressed about it, like I said. But also just hoping that it's just that winter's here now. The weather's gotten cooler on the outside. He senses that and just knows that he would normally go off eating at this time. And so I'm not stressing about it. Oh my gosh, Antiope is so active right now. She wants to come out. She keeps pressing her face in the glass. It's kind of starting to concern me now because she like it's gonna hurt her face. She's already hurt it before, so I'm not. I'll just let her out. I'll let her out again in a little while. But she's been out all morning. Like I woke up at like midnight and was up till like 6, and she was out. So I don't understand. But all right, she's active. She likes to sleep outside of her enclosure too. Like she's probably just gonna get out and then go up there and go to sleep. Like that's all she wants to do is just sleep outside of her enclosure. She's a weirdo, but I love her. She's a good girl. So what other updates? Any other updates? Oh, oh, yeah. Zuko ate as well. They're not in the room, so I didn't. It didn't come to my head. Zuko ate, as well as the unnamed spider ball python that I just got recently. I really got to think about a name for that. I have a list of names that I had planned. I'm gonna post a little tiny video of those later, so you guys can help me choose. But um, I don't feel like doing all that right now, but I will just post a little tiny, it'll be like a minute long video just so I can list the names that I'm thinking about and then you guys can give me your feedback on it. So, but yeah, oh gosh, gotta get you back in the side. I know you guys are not here just to see me, here to see some Rumpelstiltskin. Some Rumpelstiltskin. Yeah, a pretty boy. So, yeah, what's that? Yeah, everybody ate. Yes, I was very excited to see the new ball python ate very well. I gave him a mouse. That's what we had. I did not know what size rodent. I probably should have asked that, but I figured I could just figure it out when they got here. I have so many different ranged size snakes here that I knew I would have appropriate sized food for this ball python. But I definitely don't want him to stay on mice. I want to get him on rats, and that means I would actually have to order some rats of that size. While the mice are to a good size for him, the rat would be better, and I don't have any rats that are that size. They're all too big or too small. So, yeah, I'll have to definitely go in and go to my local reptile store and just get some rats for him because I've already put in my big order, so I'm not gonna order again for another couple of months. I won't need to. So I'll just go into my local store and just get him some appropriately sized rats and see if I can for sure keep him on that. I'm not sure if he was on rats before he got here, but I definitely want to get him on rats because um, I definitely like to have all my snakes on rats that I can, like that need rats. I don't see my Rosie Boa needing rats at all at any point in her in his life. So, and that's not something I'm saying. But everybody else, eventually, I want to have a. Oh yeah, and the Kia Wakanda, the sunbeam snake, also can be stay on mice. But the others, I want them all on rats. I want everybody on rats. It's just I just think it's what I prefer. I think it's healthier. Um, so so yeah, that's my plan. That's what's happening. Got a new place. I'm super excited for it. Moving in probably before January 1st, maybe a few days before. They say it depends on when they get it cleaned out, really. but definitely I wanted to move in before January 1st because that's when I can actually get help moving all my stuff. Because on January 1st, obviously, that's a holiday. Nobody's gonna want to be moving stuff on a holiday. So, um, all right, let me get. Oh my gosh, let me just open this up before you hurt yourself. Come on, there, there, come out, do your thing. All right, so there you go. There's Rumpelstiltskin. That's what's happening in my life. Got a new hound coming my way. Um, Stressing about a snake not eating. New snakes eating well. ZTK, if in case you're wondering, Blackballed. Yes, he's eating. He's doing great. I usually don't try to feed so soon after they get here, but you know, he seems very active, and I also want to do a little video on what he's in right now. Also, a temporary situation. Just gonna go ahead and say that now, but because I'm getting ready to move, everybody's like gonna be coming down to small things. I'm gonna have to clean out everybody's enclosures here soon. Get out all the substrate. Everybody's gonna go on paper. I'm gonna have to put everybody's like decorations in a bin, or everybody's like everybody's decor and everything in bins, and like it's just gonna be bare minimum. Not soon, because obviously it's still the very beginning of the month, and but in a couple of weeks that's gonna happen. So you know, you guys will probably get a video of me doing that and join me on that. Maybe I'll do a live stream while I'm in the process of doing it, um, and because I've never done a live stream, so why not? So yeah, all right, there you go, everybody. That's what's happening. That's an update. Um, I haven't been on the video. I want to come out that I discovered some things like around the spider ball python, the spider gene I did not know about. Not that I am any type of not loving my snakes. I absolutely did. I just did not know about the wobble, and so I did want to make a little video about that because it did scare me a little bit when I first saw it. I don't follow ball python genes, so I don't really know these things, but it's cool. So I'll make a video about it, going more in depth about it, and what I went through when I first discovered that that was a thing, and how I felt, and how I had to break it all down, and where I'm at with it. So yeah, look out for that future videos, but I just want to give a good update because it's been a while. I didn't want you guys just being like, oh, he was going with the videos and then he just stopped. So, alright, there you guys go. I'm out of here. Like I said, low energy. I'm barely getting through this video. I'm super tired. I don't know why. This week has just been so long. And I just need some R&R time with my snakes, and half of them are fed right now, so I'm glad I do an on-off scheduling with my feeding, because uh, every once in a while, though, it lands where everybody gets fed, and then I'm just stuck with no snakes to hold. But this is a good week. This week, only half my snakes fed, and the other half next week will be when everybody feeds, and then that will be a sad day. But alright, y'all. Y'all take care. This is TWR checking in, giving you an update on my life. Good news, stressful news, roaming, somebody won't stay still news. Alright, y'all. Take care.